Hello friends, we are back today. New surprise. We hope you are doing good. So, any guesses? So now, Ali, Ayan and Adam going to unpack their surprise and going to show you what they got. So can you open together, Ali? Can you open please? And Ayan. Okay. Can you open it? Surprise. Okay, show it. Go. What you got it, Ayan? And what you call it? How many there are? 60,000. How many we got? So now what we're going to do, we're going to put in the water tub, and then they will grow big. Then Ali, Adam and Ayan going to play in the water and find their high treasure in the water tub. So boys, are you ready? So just tell your friends we are going to open it and pour in the water, and then we will show them after if they grow bigger. We show our friends. So what do you say, Ali? Are you ready to do this? Need to close it first. Okay, so just put first. Put some first. Yeah, in whole tub. No, put in the whole tub. Yeah, here as well. Just give money to give Ayan. Adam as well, yes. Yeah, everywhere. To Adam. How many we got? 60,000. Yeah, give it to Ayan and little bit. And then Ali is being asked. So now what you need to do? Open the water. Yes.
Wow, so weird. So weird. I even can't feel it. Oh, wow, weird. So weird. Look at
You
this.
like it?
Yeah, look at this. Oh,
That's cool.
yeah.
So now we're going to leave it for a few hours to make them bigger, and then we will be back to show our friends how it looks like. Then we can play as well. Look, it's become bigger now, but we can leave for some time. Then we can play. Alright then, bye. See you soon now.
What's so big, look?
Wow.
And there's some big toys inside. Now, guess what is inside? That. Yeah, now we can have hopping.
Yeah, you can. Oh, come on.
It's so weird.
many balls. Look, hold the ball in your hand. Show your friends. Let's see who can hold more balls. No, that's a big ball. Oh, that's nice. That's so good. I really like that. Look.
And you know how many pounds are these? 60,000.
Oh, the quantity of these. Oh, wow. Look. How much you got? You tell us. 20. No, it's more than 20.
100.
100. Look.
And look at this. What's this? What are you
Don't break them. What are you doing, Adam?
doing?
Okay. And then you like it, Adam?
Yeah.
What do you like it? That and that. Look. Oh. You put it on your head. Oh my God, that's nice. Shake the water and see the other one. Look. Oh. That's so nice.
And what's this?
Don't eat. Be careful. Don't eat. Be careful. Close your eyes. Don't close your eyes. Oh. Just put it in your hand.
What's this? This is so cool.
Oh, you got a zebra on your head.
What?
Oh, zebra was sitting on your head.
It's sitting on my head now. It's sitting on my head now. It's sitting on my head. But what's this? Why can't I jump it?
You got very different colors. Oh, gone. Resolved. Oh, that's tricky. Oh, it's gone. Oh, you had some. Oh, wow. It's very cool. Do you like it? It's cool. You really like it? You got a dinosaur there. Look. Okay. So now, just shake all the one which is sitting down. Look. Oh. That's too many. That's too many. Look. Yes, 60,000. Just tell your friends how do you feel. You feel so old. It feels weird or it feels good? It's weird. Why is weird? I like it. We got many different colors. It's time to say goodbye.